Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to use flashlight in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to use your flashlight, then simply swipe down in control center. If you don't have any icon of your flashlight, then simply press and hold on blank space and then click on add a control, and here you can see the option torch. Click on torch and your torch will be added in your control center, and then click on torch, your flashlight will be on. Here you can increase or decrease your flashlight. If I goes up, my flashlight will be increase, and if I goes down, my flashlight will be decrease. So this is the way to use flashlight in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.